Welcome to today's video on the fascinating world of volcanoes. Volcanoes are one of Earth's most powerful natural forces, forming mountains, islands, and even shaping entire landscapes. They're openings in the Earth's crust where magma, gases, and ash escape from below. There are different types of volcanoes, each with its own shape, eruption style, and impact on the surrounding environment. The three main types are shield volcanoes, composite volcanoes, and cinder cone volcanoes. Finally, there are cinder cone volcanoes. These are the smallest and simplest type, created from gas-charged lava that erupts explosively, forming small but steep-sided cones. Although they don't usually reach large sizes, their eruptions are quick and dramatic. Volcanoes often form at tectonic plate boundaries, where plates are either colliding or pulling apart. They can also appear over hotspots in the Earth's mantle, like the Hawaiian Islands. The eruption process begins when pressure builds up in a magma chamber below the Earth's surface. When pressure becomes too intense, magma forces its way up, causing an eruption. Eruptions can vary greatly. Some release gentle lava flows that build new land, while others are explosive, sending clouds of ash and gas high into the sky. Pyroclastic flows, fast-moving currents of hot gas and volcanic matter, are among the most dangerous eruption hazards. Volcanoes aren't just destructive, they're also creative forces. They create new land, enrich soil with minerals, and provide geothermal energy. Many volcanic regions are also rich in biodiversity, supporting unique plants and animals. Famous volcanoes around the world remind us of nature's power and unpredictability. Mount Vesuvius, which buried the ancient city of Pompeii, is still active today. Then there's Mount Etna in Italy and Calor in Hawaii, which offer scientists valuable insights into how volcanoes work. Studying them helps us predict eruptions and protect communities living nearby. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this dive into volcanoes, remember to like and subscribe for more fascinating facts about our planet.